Good morning, folks. Too busy here. I'm out on a section of the Wando that I don't normally fish, so this morning I decided I was going to do something different. I'm trolling a root beer colored paddle tail while I'm exploring, and I just got a hookup. Let's see what's going on with this fish. Well, there he goes. He is running like a madman, so I love that sound. Pin drag just screaming on this one. Let me set the camera down someplace convenient, and let's see what will happen with this good boy. Oh, nice fish. Oh, nice fish. He knows he's hooked. This is the redneck sleigh ride. Hook into a quality redfish who doesn't want to come to the boat. And off you go. We're off to the races. Wow. I can't wait to see this guy. Oh, changing direction. Decided he doesn't want the middle of the river anymore. Back to the grass. Just so you have a clue about this drag, I got 20-pound Power Pro on here, and last night whenever I set my rods up, I set them for 10 pounds of drag. Oh, I see leader, and I see redfish. There he is, nice healthy Wando redfish. Get him on the board and see how he measures. Well, gang, there he is. Turns out that too busy is too stupid this morning, and I left the house, and my official KBF ruler is hanging out at home. But based on other fish that I've caught and the size of this cockpit, I'm going to estimate this guy at something between 28 and 30. I'm going to put some marks on my stakeout stick so I can get an accurate measure when I get to the house. But that's what they look like. Beautiful copper-colored Wando River redfish. Alright, I'm hoping you guys can see this fish when I hold it up. I'm going to put my camera up here on my bow hatch and hope it doesn't go for a swim. There he is, boys and girls, a lovely Wando River red. You hear it drumming? It's time to put him back in the water.